just go? Can we just go? Figure out where we're going. Can we just
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley if you're new here, and in today's video you're going to be seeing and walking through with me the preparation for a move out. There's so much that goes into that and preparing for that. I want to share with you guys what I've learned through the past few weeks, how what you guys can learn from the things that I had to live through. Stay tuned to the end because I do have a few like packing moving tips I've learned through my almost 2 moves. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Things are looking a little different in this room right now, and that is basically because I'm starting to pack up. I'm gonna be moving real soon, and so we have moving boxes and stuff over there. A few things are already packed up, but a lot of it is not done already. But I wanted to go ahead and show you where we are as of July 6th, which is today. We have those boxes, all that, and then I already took the rugs off the floor. I still need to vacuum the floor because, as you can tell, quite dirty. Sister went ahead and did some stuff in here, and she bagged those up. There's a few things that still need to go in boxes in here, so I'm gonna try to work on that this week. And then in the bathroom, same deal. Basically, they went ahead and started helping me pack because in about 2 to 3 weeks I'm going to be moving out. Instead of a full day worth of packing like I did last year in the dorm, obviously didn't have any choice because of COVID. I did it that way, but I figured this way would be a little bit more manageable and easy, and since I'm not using a lot of these things every single day, not really hindering my daily routine. I'm here at my unit for about 2 days this week. The next week is going to be about 3 to 4, and then the following week I'm going to be here the day before we're going to move out. So you can see kind of my dilemma here. I need to get as much stuff done while I'm here. I figured I would vlog this and bring you guys along. I don't know how much footage I'm going to get over the collection of how many days. I'm definitely gonna have a move out vlog that's gonna be totally separate than this whole process of just packing up the stuff, but this is the part I feel like a lot of people don't really mention or show, is like the dread of packing and unpacking. You just want to see the fun, like, oh, we're leaving. There's so much that leads up to that. Move in, move out, the whole 9 yards, all that's gonna be coming soon. Stay tuned for that. They even packed up these boxes over here. This is my laundry, and then there's another container full of stuff packed there. So I'm back. It is about 8, so way later than I anticipated. Don't know how much I'm gonna realistically get done tonight, but my goal for tonight, bare minimum, I do want to go ahead and get stuff that you all can see right here, like the stuff on my bookshelf. I want to be able to collapse that, and stuff here on the vanity, at least in this bin. The goal is to get as much of it in the one bin. I have some other ones, but I'm really trying to just utilize my materials as best I can because moving is not cheap. It is quite expensive. Let's get to packing. Update on packing. Here we go. Got a little bit done here in the bathroom. All this is taken out, cards emptied. Then out here we have things I'm packing up to take home, and then these bins are things that have already been packed up. Bookshelf that I did the other day, other items, and then this is all the packing supplies there. Progress. We have stuff off and stuff all over there. So, but my roommate did most of this packing, so we just have a little bit left over in the kitchen area to do, and then just removing the things, but she did most of down here thus far. So overview of what the room's looking like I explained earlier before the battery died. I have stuff packed up because I am going on vacation, so I have stuff packed for that. Packing update, giving you guys just a few packing / moving tips, things that I've learned from not only last year moving out of my dorm, and we did that, obviously you packed and moved out all in the same day within the same 4 hours. If you want to see that vlog, I will be linking it down below and then up above somewhere, so you can check that out and kind of relive and rewatch that whole process. But with this, I want to share some things that I've learned over the process of preparing for this whole move. It's a living and learning situation. I want you to learn from my mistakes. First is to bring like reusable bags, or you can even get bins instead of like boxes if you can. I found whenever we were moving my things into the apartment, we really utilized those reusable totes that you get from like grocery stores, and we try to pack as many things into those bins, and it was easier to just carry those up into the house or up the stairs rather than having a whole bunch of boxes. And we already had the tote bags, so that was great. It was convenient, it was cost effective, and it was a really easy way to maneuver and carry things. Up next, as I mentioned back in some of my freshman year related videos, when you're moving into your dorm especially, try to ship larger items to the school directly. Up next is a pretty obvious one, but try to pack like items together or things that go in the same area together. Come on. This one's pretty obvious. Label everything. At Clemson, they literally gave us these little sheets that we were able to print out and had our name, our dorm room, and then the name of the building that we were going to be in. And so that way, in case, you know, the hecticness of moving day, I had one item for a few minutes that was missing, just was placed near the wrong room. And so if you have something like that occur, it's easy to find and locate and figure out who's who. Another one is my cool little hanging hack. You've probably seen this if you watched a lot of move-in vlogs or just dorm related videos here on YouTube, that a lot of people tend to just hang all those items that are going to be on hangers, hang them up, and then just put like a little trash bag over it. That way all they have to do is tie it up, lay it maybe in the car or in a bin, and then when they get there, they just put the hangers on the rack, take the trash bag off, boom, your cause is done. Like, it's literally 2-minute unpack. It's the greatest thing ever. It takes 2 minutes to pack it up and it takes 2 minutes to unpack. Next, especially when you're packing up a larger space, so I would say if you're living off campus or in a suite, this is something I've learned this year, is to have small victories. Pack in smaller sections so you don't feel as overwhelmed. I picked little places that I was going to pack. That way I wouldn't feel overwhelmed, and it makes it a lot less stressful. You don't feel overwhelmed, and I feel so relieved that I don't have that stress attached to moving and packing, because I know it can happen. Have, like I said, small victories a little bit each and every day. And the last thing is to try to pack smaller items than bigger items. I've seen a lot of people, of course, they do the classic like socks and the sneakers, or if you have like an ottoman or a bin, store stuff in there, because then it's multi-purpose. You're carrying the ottoman, but you also have other little small things within the ottoman. One bonus thing that I did want to add is definitely to try to remember to pack in small boxes. So if you do have to get disposable boxes, pack them in small or heavy duty small boxes. Try to avoid large or medium sized boxes, because you're going to be tempted, and I used to think this way too, to want to fill it up, and then it's going to be way too heavy for you to carry. Hope you guys enjoyed this little like moving montage vlog. I will be having a moving out vlog coming very shortly, so stay on the lookout for that. Again, I'm going to be having a Countdown to College series just around the corner when August begins. Answering and just sharing some college related advice. So if you have any questions or just ideas for that series, leave them down below in the comments. I love hearing your feedback, but until next time, I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye guys.